Have you ever wondered how plants grow without soil? It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Welcome to the world of hydroponic gardening, a rising trend that's revolutionizing the way we think about gardening. Stay tuned if you're ready to dive into the future of gardening. So what exactly is hydroponic gardening? It's simpler than you might think. Hydroponic gardening is a method where plants are grown without soil. Yep, you heard right, no soil at all. Instead, these green buddies thrive in a water-based, nutrient-rich solution. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, be it indoors with controlled lighting or outdoors under the natural sun. It's like giving your plants a luxury spa treatment. Now that we know what hydroponic gardening is, let's move on to the steps involved. Ready to learn how to start your own hydroponic garden? It's easier than it looks. First things first, you'll need to select a suitable location. This could be an indoor space with plenty of light or a dedicated greenhouse. Next, it's time to set up your hydroponic system. This includes a water reservoir for nutrient-rich solution, plant trays for your crops, and lighting if you're growing indoors. Now, let's talk about nutrients. Plants need more than just water to grow. You'll need to provide them with a balanced diet of minerals and vitamins, tailored to their specific needs. And remember, maintaining the correct pH levels in your solution is crucial. Too acidic or too alkaline, and your plants may struggle to absorb the nutrients they need. And there you have it. Your very own hydroponic garden is ready to flourish. With care and attention, you'll soon be reaping the rewards of your high-tech, soil-less garden. So to recap, hydroponic gardening is a soilless, water-based method of growing plants that can be done indoors or outdoors. It's about setting up, maintaining balance, and reaping the benefits of space efficiency and faster growth. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!